Alright, so we're making a video and I'm going to show you this little guy and how nice this is. This kind of blew my mind when I first got to use it, but turns out I got to skip getting a Makita battery for it because the Hyper Tough sort of works just enough. Alright, let's go to some wood. Plenty of candidates. That'll do, pig. Yep, let's flip it over. Yeehaw. I gotta cut something else. This is fun. I'm not gonna lie. Alright, let's brace that on something before I do something bad. Yep. Hell. Here we are. Hard to do upside down and left-handed, but it seems pretty nice. 20 volt max battery in it right now. It takes 18 to 21 volts. 4 inches long, and this is for overhead so you don't get chunks in your face. And for only costing 25 bucks from China, I highly recommend it. Actually not from China, it's Chinese made, but they actually have a warehouse here in the States that has them. But for the price, it's a beautiful thing. You can even use this as probably a weapon if you needed to. But you guys have a good one. Enjoy. I'll put links to the saw itself in the YouTube video version below. And if you're on Facebook, sorry about your bad luck.